If you want to create a game, something that you can't miss is creating and loading different scenes in Unity. Having different scenes allows creating specific scenes for specific purposes. You probably want a scene for the beginning menu, or you want to load different levels. Overall, loading different scenes make your game more organized and better, and your development too. Let's start by opening Unity. We first need two different scenes. We will start in the first scene, called Scene A, with a red cube. In the second scene, we are going to create a blue sphere. It's just to test, so we don't really need to create something fancy, just something to make some experiment. We will need a script attached to the red cube in scene A, and once we will press the spacebar, the script will be activated and we are going to load scene B. This is the script, and what we are doing is telling Unity to load the scene called scene B when we press the spacebar. Now we can return to Unity and test it. As you can see, it worked, and scene B is loaded. Thank you for being here. I hope you liked this video. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye.